All right, folks, let's talk about editing a VO in Premiere Pro. Just like you would any other project, you'll open up Premiere Pro, number one, duh. Then you will come over here to the left and click New Project. You will name the project, whatever it is you want to name it, something that will make sense. You'll make sure that it is saved in a place that you can find it again, and then you will click OK. And it will open up your workspace. Remember, if it's not in editing, make it editing, and then it'll make it look like this. You'll come down here, bottom left, double click to import the media. Let's see, we'll use these two. We'll import those. Double click the clip that you want to use. And let's see here, let's start with a wider shot. We'll start about here. Okay. You find the piece of video you want to use. You click I for endpoint, press space bar for play so you can watch it for a little bit. You'll want to go for about, 4 to 8 seconds, depending on whatever it is that you're doing. Okay. O for out point. So you can see I have 4 seconds and 10 frames here. And then we'll drag this down to our timeline. Now, because this is just a VO, technically, you can leave the audio on A1 because it really won't interfere with anything else. However, when you are editing a package, you will be putting reporter audio on A1 and you will be putting soundbite audio on A1. So just to get into the habit, we'll put our audio on A2. And now that it is down there, the next time that you edit, it will be automatically go to A2. So you press play again so you can see your shot. There he is watering. All right, now we're at the end of our clip. We'll come back up here. Option X gets rid of your in and out points. I'll press play. Let's see here. Oh, good. Nice tight shot. So we'll start there. Hit I again for endpoint. And we'll make that slightly longer. Boop. All right, and we'll put that down on our timeline. You hit the period, it'll drop it onto your timeline. So now I have a nice match action shot. There he is wide watering. There it is tight watering. Yeah, there we go. And now I don't know what else I have on here, so this may not be the prettiest edit coming up. I'm going to scrub along here. Let's see, we got that. He wants to go back in and water. Let's see what happens here. All right, whoop, and we've got movement. You generally don't want that. But, for our purposes here, we'll call that good. Don't use that type of shot in your VOs, but there we go. And then you just continue doing that until you are done putting down all the video that you want to put down. Remember, for VOs and for VOSOT VOs, you always want 10 extra seconds of video pad, okay? This is video we will not see on the air, but it's there in case something goes wrong, in case somebody sneezes, coughs, the video gets rolled early, so we don't go to black on the air because that would be bad. So here we go. Let's watch our video. So we have 3 clips down. We have that one. We have a tight shot. And you can vary the lengths of these. That would be fine. And then we have him walking away. And ideally, you would get rid of, the camera panning around, right? So this last shot's a little on the short side, but you get the idea. So we'll call that our video. And then just like anything else, you will save it, which, your quick keys still work, your Command S or Control S, depending on what you are working on. And then you'll do your file, export, media, and you will export it. You will make this high quality 1080p HD. This is all in Canvas. Okay, that stays H264. You'll name it whatever it is you want to name it. You'll make sure it's saving to wherever it is you want to save it. And then you'll click export. And there you go.